I wanted to start just with this absolutely beautiful picture of the planet Jupiter. Does anybody know what is special about the planet Jupiter today, of all days? Yes, some people at the back, yeah. Yeah, absolutely right. Everyone hear that? So today, this very day, it's the closest that the planet Jupiter has been in 59 years. Okay, so I thought that was quite cool. Also, we had this very recent, absolutely beautiful infrared image of Jupiter from JWST. Okay, so absolutely beautiful image. So during this year, we're going to be learning about some of the physics that has gone into this. So later in the semester, we're going to be learning a bit about the infrared lights that this image is made of. And later in the year, we're going to be learning some stuff about the orbits of the planets. So we've got some of that to look forward to.